In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split a table in Google Docs. If you've ever worked with tables in Google Docs, you may have found yourself wishing you could split a table to organize your information in different ways. Today, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's start by setting up your Google Doc with the table you need. Open your Google Docs, and once you're there, click on the Insert option in the menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down list, select Table. Then, decide the size and dimensions of the table you require by dragging your mouse to highlight the number of rows and columns you want. Create a table just how you prefer it. Now, fill this table with the data that you intend to use. Once your table is all set, you're ready to begin the splitting process. Let's say you want to split the table to separate certain rows or sections. To do this, start by highlighting the specific rows you wish to split or move. By clicking and dragging over these rows, you select them, which is the first part of your split. After you've highlighted the section you want to split, simply drag it down to a new position. Once you drag these rows, you'll notice they leave behind empty cells. This is perfectly normal and sets us up for the next step. Now, with those blank cells standing out, it's time to tidy up your document. Highlight those empty cells where the rows used to be. Right-click within these highlighted cells. Once you do this, a menu appears. From this menu, select Delete Row. Keep in mind that if you have more than one row to delete, the option will adjust to delete 2 rows, 3 rows, or however many rows you have highlighted. Congratulations! By following these straightforward steps, you've now split your table in Google Docs. It's a simple yet effective way to manage complex information, whether for a project, research, or any work-related document. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content, and we appreciate you joining us on this learning journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.